Meaning of inconceivably.
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 Inconceivably. The term inconceivably refers to something that is impossible or difficult to imagine or understand. It describes a situation or event that is beyond the scope of one's comprehension, leading to disbelief or astonishment. The word is commonly used to emphasize the extraordinary nature of an occurrence or idea that is beyond one's expectations. When something is described as inconceivable, it suggests a level of incredulity or shock that cannot be easily articulated. This adverb conveys a sense of awe and amazement at the sheer scale or magnitude of an event or concept.